Hey guys, up here today is the Master 140. It's a pretty decent lock, has some good spool pins in it. It's good for beginners with spools. Alright, I'm going to use my short hook. It's a bit bent up, but it's alright. Single pin this, and I'm going to start from the outside in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Got a bit of a false set going. Oh, hang on, just lost it. Let's get that back real fast. Alright, there we go. Got it back. False set. And I'm going to start from the outside in again. Release tension a little bit. 1 click. 2, and feel for it. Feel for that last pin. Where is it? There. That's it. Oh, there we go. There's that last pin. This is the Master 140. Pretty good lock. Good price. Pretty cheap. Good quality out of the cheapness. And yeah.